already I think we have discussed like if a capacitor connected isolated charge capacitor, force of interaction when you put a slab, and when it's connected to battery, then what will be that one? So here metal. So what will be the capacitance due to metal? Similar to like a wire. So shall I say it's like a two capacitors with separation d/3 are in parallel or in series. Straight away I'll go for circuit here. So it is like a two capacitors in series. So why there is no capacitor due to metal should come? And the thickness is how much? d/3. Due to metal, as a metal, what will happen to it? It will become a short circuit. No, the metal is like it will have infinite capacitance. We can replace by a wire, and there's a potential difference. Let's assume that V. Then here what will happen? The epsilon R, and V/2, V/2, and any charge. And any charge will come here. So plus Q minus Q. A final charge. I'm just showing only the flow of charge, that one. Finally, what charges will come, that because of negative sign, the charge on one of the plate will change, previous problem. With that one, the negative sign, we have to interpret like that. If you get negative sign, you have to change the polarity of plates. Okay, now there's the same charge will flow here, no? So we'll find out the value of Q first. So what should be the Q equal to capacitance, how much it should be? What should be the capacitance? I think both will have same capacitance. C is equal to epsilon naught, epsilon R, A by d/3. So 3 epsilon R, A by D. This should be the capacitance, and they are in series. The capacitance how much? C, and they're in series. So what should be the charge equal to? C/2 into V. So 3 epsilon R, A by 2D. Tell me like where do that Q, so actually if you can directly you can come to the problem, Q and minus Q, you know. So what is the force of interaction between the plates? F should be equal to Q square by 2A epsilon naught. Substitute the value of Q, will get the required answer. Okay, this value of Q I have to substitute here. No, this one it's like I think the your English word, how you interpret the sentence